Hey y'all, it's me, Madeline. This is what you've been waiting for. It's what Tommy and I have been waiting for. A tour of our little piece of shit truck that we love dearly. Come on in. All right, so upon entry, as you can see, we have this galley, what we call a galley. You can crawl right in and sit on the bench. Plenty of space. Oh, what's that? That is our pressurized water. So it's an herbicide sprayer that's made of stainless steel that we plan to put on our solo stove or fill with hot water and use as a shower or just pressurized water to do our dishes with. We have a shovel for using the bathroom, for getting out of soft ground, for burying things, for who knows what. And of course our trash grabbers, because Tommy and I love picking up trash and you gotta leave it better than you found it. And we also have some pot mitts over here. And then you go over and this is the main kitchen. And Tommy built this beautiful wood shelf, and here's where we have just easy accessible items like soap and oil and salt and toilet paper and matches. Banana hammock. We like to eat bananas. Uncanny Bear by G.M. Keaton, gracing our presence daily, watching over us. Here we have a nice little light fixture, just framing this gorgeous magnet, and a painting by Tommy. As you can see, there's also Joker cards located in various locations around the camper. Squirrel Tail by Aaron Henry. Another Joker. We have a little mirror. And then we come over here. Some blackbirds on either side. This is a tapestry that I found in the Republic of Georgia. This is a nice little reminder of why we're doing this. This light, we need a new fuse, but this is a nice little glow to it also. Got some pillows, handmade by moi. We come over here, we have this gorgeous wreath made by Susan Winky as a parting gift for us, and it is made from bark and willow branches from Owl Song, and we love it, and the intention is to add to it as we go. We've already added Tommy's ponytail. Okay, and now, oh, and under here is where we store all the things. So bedding and clothes, and this is cleaning supplies, fix-it stuff, our hot water bottle for when it's cold. We have more stuff for in here. We have activities. We have extra snacks, towels, first aid, bathroom stuff, food, water, 6 gallons of water, cast iron pan. This is our stove and our cooler, propane tank, the heater is back there, the solo stove is back there, dishes. All of these are also have these little bungee holder inners, and we pull this out and we have a minimal selection of dishes, which is all we need. And nothing bounces around when we drive around because of these bungees. Under here is a secret storage compartment for backpacking equipment. And then when it's time for bed, we grab this, fold it down, voila, and there's another one. And we kick back and we have a low profile sleeping mattress and a double sleeping bag and our pillows, which will be stored right above us in this net. And then we sleep with a view, and we can sit up and not hit our heads. And yeah, and we can even partially have this folded, and this is kind of like a couch area. Oh, this is important. We have 2 of these. These are little like cigarette lighter outlets, so we can charge stuff when we're back here. Tommy put in a battery system that's hidden in the under here in the corner. I'll show you the cab real quick. Beautiful, glistening gold. This is my seat. This is Tommy's seat. We have some little organizer. We're gonna be sipping out of this when we're in here. We've got a speaker. This is our charging system. And we've got all our safety equipment stashed behind the seats. Soon there will be many little trinkets attached to the dash, so stay tuned for that. Under here is where the spirit of the truck lives, and pray for us. Oh, yes. There she is, 20R. Labor of love, wouldn't you say?
No.
All right, well, that's pretty much it. We'll send you some more videos as we live in it. And oh, these are some bungees we attach so that the door stays open when we're stopped, and then it connects down here. And then, all right, goodbye for now. Love you all.